So my name is Erin Collins, and I'm supervisor of the Agriculture Business and Horticulture Science here at Sussex County Community College. I think there's a lot of things special about Sussex County Community College. Being that we're a small college, I think we are able to tailor our curriculum to what our students want in our community. And we don't have to necessarily follow a cookie cutter program that you might follow at a larger school. We are able to create experiences for our students, and I feel like that's important, especially right now, to create memories that stick with them. I think as a two-year school, we are fortunate to have a piece of land to consider our outdoor laboratory. I don't think that's common at two-year schools. I know there are a few four-year schools that offer that, but I feel like that's setting us apart. We're also in a great location where we're very close to Newton and close to the college, and that's a big plus for us as well. I feel like over the course of a couple of years I can really get to know my students. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to work with my intern Nicole and Elna. I have two interns this semester, and they both are really excited about their areas that they're working in. You know, Nicole working more in the greenhouse, but I really enjoy working with them. It's a fun relationship.
I originally signed up for Sussex County Community College because it was affordable and I have a full-time job, so I could go to classes at night and the schedule worked. I chose agriculture because I love plants. I am obsessed with plants, and this program seemed like the best option for me. I think the agriculture program here is super important. It's like really an underestimated career. People don't know enough about plants, agriculture, how important it is, how serious you should take it. Everybody should know a little bit of agriculture, I think. I like everything about the greenhouse. I love being in it. It's super fun. You learn something new every day. There's always something to do, for sure. Always something to clean or set up or grow. It's a lot of planting, a lot of cleaning, a lot of setting up, breaking stuff down, and you learn about everything you're growing to, which is good. It really depends on the day, but usually you come in, we'll seed, we'll set up the hydroponics for new sets of plants, whatever we might be growing. If there's like a culinary event coming up, we'll usually set that in advance.
We are collaborating with the culinary department to provide food to them for their curriculum, but maybe for events as well. And we hope to grow that part of our program quite a bit in the future.
I'm very excited to be working with Erin Collins with the agricultural and horticultural programs of the college. I think it is a perfectly natural symbiotic relationship of people that are growing ingredients with the utmost care and respect. This is something that is very near and dear to my heart. My background in the professional industry was farm-to-table cooking. Every restaurant that I have been at has either had close affiliations or a farm itself. And that is something that I'm very excited to replicate at the college. I think that is a tremendous learning experience for our students, to see where ingredients come from, when they're raised properly, and then cared for properly all the way through the cooking process. I think that makes it a whole rounded experience and a lifelong learning experience. The students in the culinary program, most of them come in without a ton of traditional experience or knowledge, and we take them from 0 to 100 in the very first 11 days of class. In that class they've read 3/4 of the book already, so there's a sudden influx of knowledge and terminology and technique. At the same time, we're pushing them with their basic techniques. That class is our crucible, and that's where they learn firsthand what it's really going to take to do this, and the amount of dedication and the ability to master things quickly and repetitively. I think they have access to every opportunity that comes with a big college, but having that local community sense and the way that the staff and the faculty of the college are invested in each student really makes it a special experience.
For SCC students that are going to be attending the culinary program, honestly, I would have to say go for it. It is honestly amazing. I have learned and grown so much. So even if it's not your career field, you can still learn a trick or two. The family and the community that it has evolved around it is phenomenal. I know so many people who have been coming here, and it's just a really great community. I am actually a baker. It's my absolute passion. I want to own my own bakery one day. Working here is absolutely phenomenal. Chef Martin is phenomenal. He knows everything inside and out, and if I have a question, he will answer right away. And some of the challenges that I face here is that I never enjoy doing like the culinary aspect more say than the baking. And here, when I came here and I started all these classes, I have learned and grown tremendously with Chef Martin's help.
All of my students, without exception, all work full-time on top of going to class, 30 plus hours a week. So, the need to support them financially is definitely there.
So the foundation has supported our agriculture program here at SCC through donations that have established our facilities and have provided scholarships to our students.
In my first semester here, I did get a scholarship for agriculture, and it helped a lot since I live on my own, I pay for my school on my own. I also go through financial aid and get grants, and all those things help me be able to go to school for sure. The scholarships, the grants, the financial aid, everything is super important to me going to school. It makes it possible.
I would say the foundation has supported our program largely from this donation for the greenhouse.
I think it's been a great support for our students, both financially and also with the support of the program itself, bringing awareness to our program, not only in the community with financial support, but also getting the message out there to our students that we are here and that SCCC provides this opportunity.
I get excited about the fact that we have a lot of opportunity to develop new projects and get excited with our students.
I tell anybody that wants to go to school that they should go to Sussex first, for sure. They'll work with your schedule, it's affordable, it's fun, and the teachers are pretty hands-on, so that's awesome if you ever have an issue or something. I mean, I love it. I honestly love it here.